people, is that scripture that taught me that there are two kinds of husbands. Great husbands and small husbands. It's there in the Bible. Go and read it. Esther chapter 1. They told the man that if you don't demote this woman, women will be taking their husbands for granted, both great and small. So there are small husbands. How do you know a small husband? He buys a new car and gives the old rickety. So he drives off and the woman is saying, Jesus, car, start. That's a small husband. How do you know a small husband? He finishes having sex with his wife. He cannot open his mouth to appreciate the woman. He cannot say, oh, thank you very much. The next thing is, how do you know a small husband? How do you know a small husband? Any little thing, pack out of this house. Beat. I have a home for women that are in abusive relationships. One woman, when our criminologist, interviewed her, she said, my husband will say to me when there is any misunderstanding, face the wall, kneel down for 15 minutes. Not in my village or in Lagos. Those of you that just want to marry by all means, don't marry a man that disrespects you. If a man slaps you while you are dating him, he will kill you after marriage. It is not marriage that completes you as a woman. Be a complete woman before you go into marriage. Have a life before you go into marriage. Have a life. Anybody can change. And not just about money. Have self-confidence. Correct self-esteem. You are a child of the Most High. Don't use your life to beg a man to marry you. If a man tells you he must sleep with you before he marries you, it's a bicycle. Wait for your Bentley.